Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Yes, I hope you're following my tips for getting success. Success will not come in 1 or 2 days or overnight. We have to go for it, chase for it. So, in the process of learning how to get success, I'm coming with the 4Fs today. 4F. We learn alphabet, and from alphabet how we are moving ahead for success. I'm coming with 4Fs. The first F, failure. You may ask me, sir, what is this? So from failure what we learn? Of course, failure teaches many things than success. Success has many people, but failure is an orphan. So when you experience failure, you find out the real life, real people, real relatives, and everything is real. Then when you taste failure, then onwards you start learning that is where you are moving ahead. So that failure teaches you a great lesson. From that failure you learn it. Most of the people learn from the failures only, because the first attempt nobody has succeeded anywhere. You learn it from your failure. Don't get dejected or don't get tensed and depressed or any kind of psychological disorders, because failure is common to everyone, from Mahatma Gandhi, Vivekananda, and from that period to today's the new scientists also got failures many times. Thing is here they learn from the failure. When you learn from the failure why you got failure, their success starts. So that learn from the failure. And the second F, finance. Second F is finance. So whatever it is, you will go on thinking about it. Okay, I am like this, I am like this. But when the financial support is not there, sometimes difficult. So plan finance very properly. So how much earning we have? What are the earnings of your parents? How you get that earnings? If you are doing any part-time job for earning, if you are doing any kind of works for anything, so how you are getting that earnings to you as a pocket money maybe, or as a salary, or any kind of remunerations like that here, how you are planning for it. That finance also matter, because to be in the competence, of course you have to buy the books and you have to go for material and anything. If you want to pay the net bill also, everything requires finance here. So that financial stability, financial balance is important. So financial budget is important. You budget properly how much you are spending for what. You write it here. Every day you write how much you spent, for what you spent it. So like this here, every day when you write it, by the time 30 days, okay, 1 month, or 31 days, okay, 1 month. So how much you write you spent for. So what are the waste expenditures? What are the right expenditures? So whenever you find out the waste expenditures, just you delete them next month. So when you have this financial planning, definitely you are going to get success. Success from only financial planning. From failure you learn, and from financial planning you are going to have what you want to take, what is necessity, what is desire. You must have that classification. When you have desire something, you go and buy something else, it is waste. When you feel that necessity, you buy it. So that's called financial planning. So finance is important. And find the thing, find the time, find the good literature, find the good notes, find the good friends, find good everything good. Find the things whichever support for your career, whichever support for your goal. Only thing is in mind, only goal is important. So that find the things whichever supports your goal only. So that whenever you find them, so that success path is very simple, very easy. That find the things whichever are supporting. So that finding, at last what you go for it here, and follow that, and follow. So when you follow them, just follow your dreams, follow your thoughts, follow your heart. So when you have this here complete plannings, of course all 3 F's, the last F is following the things. Whatever you set some goals for you, and whatever you set from financial things, whatever you find in it, whatever you have that failures, you learn from the failures. Everything you take as a subject for yourself, and no need of any teacher for you, and you are complete. These 3 F's are your subject. These 3 things are your teacher. so that you follow them, and strictly you follow them and find out your way. One day the success is yours. Definitely the people who follow this here, failure and financial balancing, and finding whatever they have the things and what they need for reaching the goal, and then automatically they follow them rightly, definitely they are going to be successful. I hope you understand success path. Today's lesson is about only 4 F's. Thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe.